Hello guys. Today I will show you this special way to get a free brand new iPhone 13 Pro. All you need is to follow my steps. First, go to this website, freeapplegift.com. You will find the link in the first comment below this video. Scroll down and choose iPhone 13. After that, click this button, enter now. After that, choose the color you want. For me, I will choose blue. After that, choose any phone capacity you want. Now we will fill up the informations, the name, the email, and address, so that we ship the phone directly to this address. After that, click submit. Then it says that we are qualified to win an iPhone 13 Pro. So click this button, confirm. As you see, it says complete 2 offers to get your phone, and they are very easy. We just need to install 2 apps or complete a survey, or to confirm the email or the phone number. For me, I will finish first 2 offers. So, I will complete 2 offers and I will be back. So guys, as you see, when I complete the offers, it says congratulations, I officially joined the participation. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Peace out.